Most YouTubers spend 2 hours writing social media posts for one video. I built a free AI system that does it in 60 seconds using Microsoft Copilot. No paid tools, no age restrictions. Works anywhere. Watch me build it live.
Now, you might not have heard of Microsoft Copilot. Everyone talks about ChatGPT, but Copilot is completely free, works right in your browser, and has no age restrictions. No sign up, no credit card, just open the website and start.
Here's all you need. Microsoft Copilot, completely free, and any YouTube video. I'm using Mr. Beast's 2024 video. I spent 50 hours buried alive because the description is short. Perfect test.
Before I show you the live demo, let me explain what this prompt actually does. It tells Copilot exactly what you want: 3 Twitter posts, 2 LinkedIn posts, 2 Instagram captions, 2 Reddit posts, and 1 TikTok script, plus 5 hashtags for each. One prompt gives you 10 platform-ready posts in under a minute.
This is the secret. The prompt. Copy this exactly. I've put it in the description.
Now, watch the live demo. I paste my prompt into Copilot, add the video title, and press Enter. Ten seconds later, 10 posts ready to go. Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Reddit, TikTok, all in under a minute.
And here's the best part. This works for any YouTube video, not just Mr. Beast. Copy any link, paste the same prompt, and you get 10 unique posts every time. No editing, no rewriting, just copy, paste, and post. Here's how to think about pricing. You're not selling 60 seconds of work. You're selling 10 hours of a YouTuber's time back to them every week. You're selling consistency, quality, and peace of mind. That's easily worth $30 to $50 per video. Don't undervalue what you're building.
People pay $20 to $50 per video for this. You can do it for YouTubers or use it for your own channel. The prompt is free. Link in description.
And yeah, guys, I'm Kay. I build AI systems that help not just content creators, but anyone who wants to automate their daily tasks, whether it's writing posts, generating leads, or creating AI agents that work for you. That's what this channel is about. So if you're tired of AI hype and just want systems that actually work, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you don't miss the next build. And drop a comment. Let me know what task you want me to automate next. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.